we are in Karabi right now, and I'll give you the room tour. It's छोटा सा but very cute, okay? Starting off, यहाँ पे obviously कपड़े रख सकते हैं. Then we have this table. ये लड़का अपना बेड पकड़ चुका है. इसके लिए अलग से बेड है. This is मेरा नारिधि का बेड.
नहीं, ये मेरा है.
बढ़िया. This is such a cute mirror. लाइटिंग भी बहुत सुंदर है पीछे की. This is a छोटा सा क्यूट सा वॉशरूम. जकूजी. I'll show you the best part, okay? I think I love this mirror सबसे ज़्यादा, and the lighting with it. Like daily तैयार होके इसमें कितनी अच्छी pictures आएंगी. And I'll show you my second favorite part now.
मैं?
तुम? This balcony, bro, look at this. The freaking view. You are kidding me. It's literally everything in HD, brother. We have a cute pool. So yeah. Look at the freaking mangoes, brother. Mangoes. There was a solemnly mango shop piche. Yes, there it is. I'm so freaking excited for mangoes. I can spot the freaking beach after 1 kilometer of walking now. And it's like a road ending with the ocean wala reel. We're finally in Aonang. हमारा पहला 7-Eleven of the trip. The only thing I was super excited for.
मैं दिए पीऊंगा.
Time to look at the stuff I used to see on Instagram.
Rice ball. Rice ball है भाई वो.
First we find something to drink.
अरे वो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. अरे फ्रीजर के पास है.
You see the pricing, right?
मुझे वो होता है ना हमेशा. कोरियन डे नंबर देखो ना.
What does this smell like?
देखो ना.
क्या हो गया?
प्राइस देख के करी थी क्या?
अरे कैमरा को दिखा रही थी.
दिखाओ ना. दिखाओ ना.
Let's go and find more.
Oh, I want to eat corn dog. Corn dog.
Egg. बहुत भीड़ है. Wait, I got it. Yes, you're supposed to mix banana milk and chocolate milk, and then put ice in it, and then you will have a drink.
चॉकलेट मिल्क है.
चॉकलेट मिल्क बगल में रखा था उसके.
दिखाओ ना.
भाई बहुत भीड़ है. If you know me, I can't do with भीड़.
साइड में करो.
How is it?
8 on 10.
नहीं है.
Really? An 8 on 10?
It's a normal chocolate cake, bro. It's just from 7-Eleven.
Do you not taste the banana?
हमारी मुझे लग रहा है जैसे 84
Also, 7-Eleven was so chaotic. But
Should go to another 7-Eleven.
we will go to 7-Eleven और मतलब पूरा ट्रिप पे भाई जब भी 7-Eleven दिखेगा मैं अंदर घुस रही हूँ. So first 7-Eleven, bro. You don't know how much I ranted about it to these two people. बट आई डिड नॉट नो कैसे बनेगा. ऑल आई सीन इज कि एक बनाना वाला लेते हैं, चॉकलेट वाला लेते हैं, आइस उसको मिक्स कर देते हैं. आइस कहाँ से लेंगे, नो आइडिया. सो आई आस्क्ड देम. उन्होंने पूरा मुझसे बनवाया. 2 लोग काउंटर के पीछे खड़े थे, वेट कर रहे थे. एंड आई वाज लाइक सो क्लूलेस कि कैसे होता है. बट यस आई डिड इट एनीवे. एंड हियर इट इज.
लास्ट में बोली चल चलता है.
Coming. Mango. Obviously mango. Wait. फिर से 7-Eleven आ गया. So, our first day in Thailand is almost over. We still have dinner left to do though. And I think हम उसको थोड़ा simple ही रखने वाले हैं because we walked इतना ज़्यादा आज. Aonang beach तक भी हम चल के गए, which was I think approximately 1.5 kilometers. Then night market and everything. So yes, me is so tired. So we're finally in bed. We had dinner. I didn't record it because me was so tired of recording all the time. And yes, we had prawn, which was really really good. We had chicken. Chicken is obviously good. And then we had this Thai dish, pad Thai. Bhai साहब, मड़ाला, whatever oil they used. भाई मैंने एक बाइट लिया, that oil पूरा उसका अरोमा मेरी बॉडी के अंदर चला गया. And it was so ew for me. पूरा बाहर आ गया भाई, छोड़ दिया हम सब ने. Thai food is probably not for us. But yes, prawn were good. This entire day was good. And we'll see what we do tomorrow. Good night. हेलो, बहुत धूप है. हेलो धूप. हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ डे 2 इन Krabi एंड आज हम लोग जाएंगे फीफी आइलैंड का टूर. विल गो ऑन मेनी आइलैंड्स एंड प्रॉबेबली अ लगून टू. एंड आई होप वी गेट टू डू स्नॉर्कलिंग टू, फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. बट यस, बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमिड है. लाइक धूप अपार्ट बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमिड है. माई स्किन इज़ ब्रेकिंग आउट. बट यस, विल सी हाउ इट गोज़. We are walking to the speedboat and हम almost आ गए हैं. बहुत सारी है यहाँ पे. And we'll get on one of them. And then I got so lucky to get bahar ka seat at this perfect time because the view I saw, oh my god. And then the craziest part of this trip, my snorkeling. I did freaking swimming in the ocean and I did snorkeling. I saw freaking corals. I saw ita fishes swimming with me. I saw a yellow fish, a blue fish. They were very cute, छोटे से fishes. And yes, I was swimming with them. Wow. Hello guys. So we did our lunch यहाँ इसके सामने. We had a restaurant इसके सामने. And now we are heading back to our speedboat. And हमारा एक island बचा है. उसके बाद our tour will be officially over. And yes. Do you look at the variations of blue? मतलब पानी में ही there are 3 blue colors. 1, 2 and 3. And then there is sky, which is so pretty. So I took bath and became human again. क्या जंगलियों वाले बाल हो रखे थे मेरे. पूरा धो डाल के थोड़ा बहुत सही किया है इनको. And now we'll see what we do. Today we are going to Phuket from our hotel in Krabi, and I have like 1 hour to pack everything up. So yes. And मुझे fit check लेना है भाई इस mirror में. I will take आज का fit check in this mirror. I have to do it. इतना अच्छा pretty lighting है. I will do it no matter how much late I get today. Toodles! We are going from Krabi to Phuket in this pretty van. I'll give you a look. So we took our pehla stop, a halt, and I slept like a baby in the car. Gifts. मैं भी वही देख रही थी. ये बहुत ही बड़ा 7-Eleven है comparatively to the ones I've been in Krabi. I don't even know if it's still in Krabi. मैं इतना ज़्यादा सो रही थी. बालों का तो हाल बेहाल है भाई. So yes, that's it for the part 1, Krabi. Part 2, when I'll be in Phuket, is still left, and I'll show you around there too. And I hope I see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Crab है ना?
Crab है?
केकड़े.
Hi, very good.
What is this?
What's the?
नीचे फेंक दे.